Bert Kreischer is an American stand-up comedian, podcaster, reality television host and actor. In 1997 he was featured in an article in Rolling Stone while attending Florida State University. The magazine named Kreischer the top partier at the #1 party school in the country. The article also served as inspiration for the 2002 film National Lampoon's Van Wilder. Kreischer has served as host of the television series Hurt Bert on FX as well as Bert the Conqueror and Trip Flip on Travel Channel. He is slated to appear on The Machine, a comedy film based on his life and career. He is the producer and host of Bertcast, a weekly comedy podcast on the All Things Comedy Network. He is also the co-host of the Two Bears, One Cave podcast with fellow comedian Tom Segura and co-host of the Bill and Bert podcast with actor and comedian Bill Burr. Albert Kreischer Jr. was born November 3, 1972, in St. Petersburg, Florida and raised in Tampa. His mother worked in early childhood development and his father worked as a real estate attorney. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.